This is your power gear leveling system. This will put your 4 jacks down to level and stabilize your coach when you get to your campground. This will be one of the first things you want to do. So it's best to have the engine running, but you can do it with the key on. Should you get low voltage though, it will stop the system from operating. So best to just do it with the engine running. First you'll start by turning on the power button. It'll give you a weight display while it analyzes and turns the system on. Once the weight light goes out, if you have a low voltage problem, it'll pop up then. Once the weight light does go out, then you can just hit the automatic button, which will automatically drop your jacks and level out your coach. If you wanted to do it manually, you could. There's a manual button also that you can manually operate your front jacks and your rear jacks if you choose to do that. And the same thing coming up, you can hit it manually to raise them, or there's one button that retracts all jacks to make it really simple and easy for you. So now the system is ready. You'll see 2 lights flashing. The lights flashing and the solid light on means that's the way the coach is leaning. When you're doing this, you might want to go outside and check the ground that your jacks will be coming down on. Because if it's soft ground, you might want to put some blocks or pads underneath the jack pads just for some more stability so they don't sink into the ground. So if you're inside the coach while it's being leveled, yes, you will feel movement. It's normal. The coach is going to move, stabilize, adjust until the system is complete. So again, sit down, just wait for the process to go through. Once the process is complete, what will happen is your jacks down light will be on, the auto light will stay on, and there'll be a green indicator right in the middle of the pad that states your coach is level. At this point, you're safe to turn off the monitor and turn off your engine. We get this question a lot. What happens if I try to drive away with my coach and forget to put the jacks up? On most RVs, they do have a backup sensor, should this happen. So if you do forget to put your jacks up, you start up your motor. Once you put it into drive, and on some models release the emergency brake, the jacks will automatically come up. There you go, I'm in drive. You hear a bell, and then you hear warning signs, and my coach started to move. So the jacks just started to retract. I'll go ahead and put it back into neutral, release the brake. I'll let the jacks finish going up. Now the panel is all illuminated with the lights flashing. It stopped beeping, which means all jacks have been retracted, so I can just go ahead and turn my engine off, and I'll just go outside and do a visual inspection just to make sure they're all up.